Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today I come back with another video. I have a GoPro camera, GoPro Hero 10, and I buy this camera from Amazon SA, and this coming from USA, and I need extra battery. So guys, I find in the Amazon the dual battery original GoPro with charger case. This expensive, little bit expensive, is 480 or 450 real. So I find this one in the AliExpress, original product, 2 battery with 1 charging box, only 350 real. So I ordered it first few days ago, and today it's arrived to my home, and now I will unbox and check what have inside this case. Inside this packet is original GoPro product or the fake product from the AliExpress. So let's check it out. Okay guys, here is the dual charger plus Endura batteries. So now I will unbox from this side. And here is the user manual. So inside that box have charging box. This is the charging box for GoPro original brand, and here is the 2 battery. You can see it's 2 battery with 1 box for charging box. So also have the charging cable. Here is the charging cable for USB to Type C, original GoPro cable. This same cable come with GoPro camera, so you can charge it. So charge with power bank. This battery is charging now. You can see when charge full, this will come green color. Now is the orange color. When charge full, it will be green color. So now I will put this battery inside the GoPro, and I have also with media mode. This media mode I buy from Amazon, and camera also I buy from Amazon, but this battery I find in the AliExpress is very cheap rate, 100 real down price from the Amazon to AliExpress. So now I will open and check the battery. Okay, here is the original battery with this GoPro, and this battery is GoPro 12. So I put inside and check, and you can see guys, it's working, and battery is 10% charge. So I have to charge first this battery. I hope the battery is better than others battery. If you want to buy the GoPro battery, this is original and good quality. Before I have the Chinese battery also for this camera, but not working long time, only 20 minutes 25 minutes working, and then I return back that battery, and now I buy the GoPro original product. So this one is need to charge, and now I go connect the another battery and check how many percent have charged. This one also have 11% charge, so I have to charge first and then I check the battery. So thank you guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel for the new video, and hit the bell icon for next video notification. Thank you, have a nice day, see you again.